Hi, this is Matt. We're doing a big job for a general contractor day. Let's go take a look at what we have going on. There's 3 apartments. There's severe water damage. We got mold on the wall. Mold all up and down the ceilings. See that where the water come through from the 3rd floor bathroom. Mold all in the bathroom here. Mold in the closet. Got mold down the hallway here. All in the bedroom. We're going to take all this drywall out. This bathroom here. Take this whole wall out. There's mold on the ceiling. Someone's already taken out the kitchen in this unit. Taking all the carpets out. They're discolored from heavy use, I would say. You go upstairs. Here we are in 2nd level. I'm going to go in here. We're going to go 2 foot here. Some mold in the closet. This bathroom. It's pretty bad. See the mold going up the walls. It's in the ceiling. This bathroom's pretty bad. We're going to gut this bathroom. And the toilet. This floor is kind of soft. They're gonna handle that, the contractor. This room, you can see there's mold on the other side of that bathroom, of course. We got hot and humid, so we're gonna take down the ceilings where it's moldy. Moldy here in the back closet. And this closet's pretty bad. This kitchen's coming out. You can see where the water split it. Mold there. Carpets on this side. And carpets over here on this. It's already coming out. I got guys pulling the carpets out right now. This side, let's go look up the stairs on the 3rd floor. Here's number 3, the top floor in this complex. We're gonna take out the carpet. You can see you got extensive mold growing. Take it at 4 foot. This bathroom is going to be 4 foot. It's all over the walls and the ceiling. We've got the same closet. Take out 2 feet. I'm going to go around here. You can see the secondary mold on the ceiling. All over the ceiling here. This bedroom. Take the carpet out. We'll take out all these walls. It's all moldy. Mold all over the ceiling. It must have been really hot and humid in here. See this much damage. This door jamb will be cut out. It's all moldy. This bathroom, half the bathroom's going to come out. Kitchen cabinets all coming out. Go 4 foot on this wall. This little pantry closet. This discolored carpeting will all come out. And then we're going to go, might have to take this wall out here. It's kind of moldy in the hot water tank area. Someone already pulled the carpet out of this room. This doesn't look too bad, but we'll take all the rest of the carpet out. Both these bedrooms, all the carpet will come out. Mr. Drought, we'll take a look when we're done. So let's take a look at our work. This is the first one we finished. You see a lot of damage to the door jambs. Cut 2 feet up. Ceiling. As always, it turned out to be a lot more than what it was, what we thought it was going to be. Had the hot water tanks pulled yesterday by a plumbing company. All the carpeting's out. Vanities are out. All the baseboards are out. on the other side. The bathroom's totally gutted. 4 foot. This whole ceiling area where the water came down from the upper level. Mopping the floors here. This is to the next unit over, and there's some discoloration there on the wall. So we plasticed it off.
Are you checking up on my floor?
I'm checking every floor. There as well. Take a look at the other 2 units when we're done. Okay, so let's take a look at the second floor. Got a lot of heavy damage here. The water came down the walls. Whole wall came out. Kitchen area, 2 feet high. All the baseboards are out. Around the AC is a bad area. All the units really. Ceiling, all the boards. Bedrooms. Seems like almost every bathroom had to be taken out. It's not good. Over here on the other side. Laundry room. This 2 feet high here where the washer and dryer were. Another bathroom. All around the vanity was bad. Closet. This bathroom's right underneath where the main flood was. All the ceilings came out. See that there? 4 foot high. Ceiling in the hallway. This bathroom pretty much is right underneath where the flood happened as well. You can see where they put the thin set, they just poured it. I don't think that safe was there, and they just poured the bucket of thin set, and it wasted space there. 2 feet around this whole room. Up this corner. See the spraying chemical still, but there's the ceiling. 2 foot here in this closet. Other bedroom over here. Baseboards out. There's baseboards out in this unit here. Take a look at that. We're still working on the third. This is the second dumpster, and that's the third dumpster. They already took one out the first day we worked. Beginning of the second day, they took the first day's dumpster out. This is the third floor. This is where the leak originated. Right here at this fire suppression unit here. That's kind of cool. So this was really bad material. Stayed wet from what the tenants say for about a week or a month without anybody doing really much anything other than moving out the tenants. We took out this wood studs here. They were compromised, they're rotted. A lot of damage there to this bathroom. See that? Made 2 foot cuts in this whole area. Carpets obviously are all gone. Walls cut 4 foot high there. The ceiling we cut out. Around the ACs are really bad. This kitchen was bad. This whole wall here. This bedroom on the end wasn't that bad. Really didn't have to do much here. They asked us to remove. This is about one of the only bathrooms left in the whole 3 units. Go down the hallway. Got a laundry room. Another bathroom over here. Take a look in this closet. And then over here in this bedroom, we cut out a piece of wall underneath that window. Closet. Don's just finishing up spraying up his bathroom. So, big job. See the dumpsters out there. That's dumpster 2 and 3. Big job for Mr. Dryout. I'm glad it's done. I'm always glad when they're done. Call us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for service. Just get a little view of that.